So sometimes when we learn about Bible stories in church, I'm not sure that these Bible stories are for kids. Like, the other day, we learned about how Pharaoh enslaved God's people on the planet of Tatooine. Then God sent baby Moses, and he came flying in to help. Baby Moses eventually grew into a man. Check out these guns. Whoa. And then he became an old man. I'm an old man. And then he and Pharaoh got into it. Moses was all like, "Let my people go." And Pharaoh was like, I don't want to. And then things got very, very adult content. Moses was like, okay, every firstborn male child will die because you're wicked and stupid. And the screams of the wicked people could be heard all night. Oh, we're so wicked and stupid and evil. So that happened.
Hey, I remember we're twins, but do you remember which one of us was born first?
I'm your older brother by like 30 seconds.
Ooh, that was a close one.
Yeah, Grant? You're not playing with the flannel graphs again, are you?
No.